friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another fun video, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years, mostly clothes, accessories, shoes, bags, stuff like that. And I sell on Poshmark too. I've been over there for a couple of years. And so you get all that great reselling content here on the channel, including a live show on Fridays called Live at 5. That's a reseller community night. So make sure you're subscribed with that little bell turned on so you don't miss any of the fun videos that we do here on the channel. Today I'm unboxing another wholesale box. This is from Jomar. Have you guys been over to their site yet? I've just become such a huge Jomar fan. I have so many unboxing videos from the company already on my channel, so you can watch today's videos and my other videos and see, hey, is Jomar a good idea for me in my business at this time? One of the things I love about Jomar is they have such a variety of wholesale boxes to choose from. You can buy just a few items, you can buy like this box was 50 items, or you can buy a pallet. They have tons of different brands, they have vintage, they always have some special deals on brands, so I just really like them. I'm really happy with what I'm getting, and maybe it'll be good for you too. There's a discount link in my description section below, so you might want to go over there and check it out. Let me tell you about this particular box today. Okay, they have so many different things. I've got a Victoria's Secret box before. I've got a Target jackets box, a men's box that was amazing. You don't want to miss that video because there's some brands in there you definitely want to know. This one is called Basic Life Support, and it's mature women's, and the box is normally $189 plus shipping for 50 items. 50 items is a lot of inventory, you guys. Like, I love getting 50 items shipped right to my door. I don't have to go out sourcing for it. It just shows up. I chose the Mature Women's brand because guess what? That's what sells great for me over on eBay. Brands like Talbot's, J. Jill, Chico's, all that stuff sells great for me, so a Mature Women's box for me was perfect. I already did unbox half of this. That video looks like this, but it was 50 items. That's way too big for one haul. So this is the second half. I was really pleased with the first half of the box. So let's get into it. What the rest of this box looks like. I mean, 50 items is a lot, you guys. I haven't looked at this. I unboxed the first half, then I put it aside because I knew I wanted to do it with you because I love the fun of a mystery box, especially right now. It's 2020. It's COVID. There's not that many things we get to do, and I just love the fun surprise of a mystery box. So let's see what else is in here. This is a jacket from White House Black Market, size 8, so that's great. And it is like a blazer career jacket, but cool. Look, it has like moto details. So it's a really modern cut on that. It's almost like elbow patches, but in like a moto style. I really like that. How do you guys do with White House Black Market? It's not a brand that I picked up very much in the past, but a lot of you have said it sells pretty well. I see a bunch of new with tag stuff in here, you guys, and I am so thankful for that. I got a couple of this, I got a couple of other things by this brand when I opened the first box. So the brand is Bally Fitness, and this is new with tags. So that's great, especially for December, January. I sell a ton of activewear. This is a size medium, and it's a super lightweight, thin fitness top. So that's really great. I love having fitness because you know what's gonna happen, December, it gets dark and cold and people eat more and they're not exercising as much, and then January comes and it's like, I'm going back to the gym, I want to get healthy again. So I'm so glad to have new with tag activewear. And this one's by Satva, which is a really great brand. They make a lot of like eco stuff. Yeah, this says made with recycled polyester. Size small. Ooh, women's full length skinny leggings with some like color blocking. Those are super nice. They feel kind of silky. Yeah. Get it together. What is this coming out? This is like, ooh, wow. Look at the knit on this. It's almost like a tweed or a boucle knit, like a classic Chanel suit type sort of thing. And this is Talbot's, and it's a size 8. And it's a gorgeous dress. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's probably like a midi length. This could be good for the holidays. It's black with like a little bit of gold in it. I really like the shape on this. Sort of a drop waist with a midi length skirt. Hey, what is this? Well, this is another fitness top in this great turquoise, but look at the back. It's all strappy. So the brand on this is Satva again. That was so nice of them at Jomar. This retailed for $49. There's a lot of information about this brand on the tag. Non-GMO, organic cotton. Oh my gosh, that's super nice. And look at the cut. I didn't notice that at first, but it's an asymmetrical hem or like a shark bite. Super nice. That was really nice of them to put in some of their new with tag stuff in with my, because this is a pre-owned box. Now, I didn't have to pay $189 plus shipping because I have some credit with them for people using my link. Thank you so much. It's just like amazing. I really appreciate it. But normally $189 for 50 items, it comes out to be around $4 an item. So that is really good cost of goods. This is Bar 3. Bar 3 is a really expensive brand. It's often sold at Macy's. Have you ever gone in there? Oh, look at this. Look at that gorgeous print. It's a red floral dress with, you know it, I love a bell ruffle sleeve. I just love it. This is so pretty. And a size 10. It's not like extra small or anything. So that is a super gorgeous piece. Thank you, Jomar. Something feels silky. Oh, like, I hope this is real silk. Let's see. Look at all this light coming in. I guess the light's streaming in. Oh, well, hopefully you can see okay. Okay, ooh, this is Theory. Yes, I've sold a top just like this, so I know this is 100% silk. And I've sold these ivory tops before for like $30 or $40. This is perfect for work or an occasion. You know, they're just really gorgeous pieces. And the retail on Theory, this tank probably cost around $200 for a 100% silk ivory tank like this. And they still resell for me pretty well on eBay. I've sold them before. This is, oh, wow. Okay, so this is Derek Lamb, which is a designer. And this is a little ivory cardigan sweater with a scooped neck. Wow, that's a really nice piece. I did notice a teeny little stain here. It's kind of hard to see, but there you go. So I will spray some Shout on that. Or if I need to get crazy, I'll use that reseller cocktail of hydrogen peroxide, Blue Dawn dish liquid, and baking soda. It's like, it's the mix. Too bad that's got a little stain on it because that is like a designer piece. Derek Lamb, that is nice. And it's not like Derek Lamb for Target or anything like that. So look at this bright orange. That's fun. And it feels like silk. And it's, oh, I don't know this brand, but it's a nice tag. Does anyone know it? OTTE? If you do, pop it in the comments. If I get a chance to research, I'll pop things up on the screen if I learn anything about brands or, wow, this is like a gorgeous tunic top. I'm hoping it's silk and I'm not being fooled that it's polyester. 100% silk. I pick up 100% silk blouses even if I don't know the brand. Women really like them, but this looks like it's probably something good. I'm just not familiar. It has a deep V and it's sort of a tunic length, high-low hem. Gorgeous orange silk blouse. Wow. Ooh, this is fun. Another White House Black Market. This one is a size 2. Look at this. Oh, I wish this was my size. A really thin blouse with that gorgeous hemline with flowers, but look at the sleeve. That is so nice. Oh, and it's sheer. My guess is this probably originally came with a shell tank underneath. And it's not there anymore because it's totally sheer. And again, it feels like silk, but White House Black Market, oh, it does have a built-in tank. So the body has a built-in tank. That's nice. That's really nice. See, this one's polyester, but it feels like silk. And it has a high neck. I think that's a gorgeous piece. I've been using my mannequin again, friends. For so long, I was just doing, hanging everything, even dresses, on a wooden hanger on a white wall. And I do like the simplicity of that, but I've started using my mannequin again, especially for items like dresses that you really want to show the shape. Show the shape. What's this? It feels good. I like this box. I think it's really great so far. This is Loft. Ann Taylor Loft, the more modern line of Ann Taylor. And this is like a blazer jacket, really interesting color, almost like a peach. And it feels like maybe it has some linen in it. Right now, with COVID, I have not been selling as much of my business wear or dresses. Normally, I look for blazers and dresses and they sell well for me, but not this past year. It's linen, 100% linen. So I need to put this, I need to use my steamer on this because I think I can make this look beautiful. Again, it looks a little wrinkly and dish-shaped, but I can fix that right up. I have a great steamer. I've tried different steamers. The two things I have that I think are the best that are linked in my description section down below are my steamer and my lint remover depiller machine. That I just love them. There's a lot out there on the market, but these are really good ones. So if you're in the market and you need one, check those out. Ooh, these are Ralph Lauren. Classic brand that sells well. 100% cotton, size 8. These are a corduroy. Now, corduroys don't sell great for me. Do they for you? I don't know why. Now these are like a mid-rise and I see a stain or something here. I'm not sure if that's something that'll come right out. Kind of a mid-rise boot cut, so not a super current style, but very classic. We'll see how those do. Ooh, some more active wear. Ooh, this one's really fun. Bali size small. And this is new with tags as well. That is so great. Thank you, Jomar. So this is a long sleeve fitness top, but look at the back. Totally mesh cutout, so they're making some cute styles. I love a mystery box. Oh my gosh. These are really good, you guys. Tom Ford. Tom Ford, that is a designer brand, and these are gorgeous. They're a size 0, which is unfortunate, but which just means they might sit longer. Smaller sizes don't sell as quickly for me as larger sizes. These are a gorgeous pair of trousers. I definitely say like a trouser, and look at, they come with a velvet belt. Those are nice. Those are very nice. They look very long. Like they look like they would be a tall. These are gorgeous. Wow, I'm gonna have to do a little research. I've never found Tom Ford out. Okay, oh good, Chico's, size 0 short. I like having tall and short. I've sold these pants so many times. They're the Chico's Travelers and they're just made of like spandex. I guess they're good for traveling, but these are not in good condition, I'm noticing. Bummer, look at the hemline. It's not only a little stain, but there's like, they must have dragged. So I don't know if I can do anything with those, but normally, yeah, that hem's pretty sad. Yeah, they're all ripped, so I'll have to redonate these. But normally, Chico's Traveler Collection sells well for me because it's that slinky spandex, and I think it's supposed to be like non-iron. Ooh, what is this beauty? What is this? Ann Taylor, size 8. Oh my gosh, what a great dress this looks like. Look at this. It's like a classic kind of shift dress, and it has a sheer sleeve, but what's killing me is this bow detail. This must look so good on. Look at the bow detail. I wish I was an 8. I just love this so much. This is so classic. Great color on this turquoise. This looks like a career skirt, and it is by Loft. It's a size 0, like a career pencil skirt. That's nice, nice, nice. Skirts is not my best-selling category. However, they sell every once in a while. This is Talbot Stretch, size 12. I love a size 12 item. If you're noticing the sunlight in my video, I film some of my videos right in front of my garden. So there's a huge glass window and my garden's out there and my plants, and it's just really beautiful, but it's the best way to get natural light so I can really see the items, but I see sometimes there's a little like sun stream coming in. Just a really gorgeous red shell tank. You'd probably wear something over this like a blazer, and it is silk. I wasn't thinking it was. Wow, thank you. I love silk. You know, I don't think of red as my color necessarily, but this is just so pretty. I love silk for work. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist, so I see clients and I'll wear kind of like a nicer top, but I'm in private practice, and So I don't have to get super dressed up or anything, but I like a nice blouse and then maybe some nice jeans or trousers or something. I do have another channel called The Grateful Therapist. It's a newer project for me, but I'd love if you head over there. I have videos about how to deal with anxiety, how to manage anger, grief, boundaries, all that kind of good mental health stuff. So I'd love to see you over there. Super cute. This is Banana Republic. I like having Banana Republic and J. Crew and all that in my store. Really pretty dress. It's sort of a navy with some yellow. Cute print on that one. Okay, last number of items. I think this was pretty good. So imagine you were buying this, 50 items, $4 a piece. I think a lot of these items are definitely worth $4. Ooh, you know I love this. This is so me. I'm gonna try it on. Loft. Loft sells okay for me, size medium. Look at this goodness of romanticness blouse. It's ivory with a lace top and just tons of ruffles. Ruffles are huge for 2020 and 2021. You're gonna see tons of ruffles. I hope you like them and appreciate them as much as I do. It's like there's ruffles and lace and everything good on here. Ooh, Dolan. Dolan Lefko's collection, which is often sold at Anthropology. Just a really nice t-shirt in a pink. What's this? I'm pulling this out because it looks like leathery. Leather. Ooh, Michael Stars. That's a fun brand. This is cute though. It's a little dress and it has like a faux leather front panel. The tag is cut out, but it looks like it's maybe an extra small. Kind of a sweater knit in the back and then a leather. I'm assuming it's fake leather, of course. That's not a super high-end brand. Yeah, rayon and spandex. Made in the USA. It says dry clean only, though. Oh my gosh, is that a zip down? I don't know why I'm amused by this faux leather dress. I don't get to wear much leather, do you? Gotta have fun with your haul. Bailey 44, another brand that's often sold at Anthro, a really nice brand. Look at this dress. Woo! That is a sheath, so it's going to be kind of fitted, and it has a zipper detail. See the back? It almost looks like it zips in half. Does it zip in half? I guess it could zip all the way around if you wanted it to. Size extra small. Gosh, I love dresses, and I wish they were selling, and they're going to sit for me for a while, because normally in the summer, people start going to graduations and getting dressed, even dates, and they're wearing, I mean, it's just like people aren't wearing dresses that much right now, you know? So they're just sitting and not selling, but I trust they will sell again. What is this? This is another Sattva size large organic t-shirt. Kind of a long one with an asymmetrical hem. This brand is really cool. Large, made with 100% organic cotton. Like, wouldn't this be a great gift for somebody? If you don't want to go out to Target and Nordstrom and Macy's and do your Christmas shopping for the people in your life, you can do it right online and get Nude tags. Like, that would be a beautiful gift for someone you know is going to hit the gym and want to get healthy again. That's my invoice. There it is there. Okay, and now we have this item. Another Nude tags. I love this color. Olive green, like olive military green. Do you guys love it? I do. Balance Collection. Ooh, I like this brand. I'm trying to figure this thing out, though. It's like, what is this? I don't know how this goes. It's like a tank top, but it's all drapey. So I guess you would wear like your sports bra underneath, and then this would just be very open and drapey. I like this brand. Sometimes I see it at like Marshall's and stuff. TJ Maxx. Oh, wear two ways. It's front or back. I'm glad they have a little picture. So that can be the back. So if you want to be a little more modest, this can be your front and this can be your back. That would be cool. I love that. So that is my Jomar box. What do you think? Are you going to go over to Jomar, check out their site, and see if anything would be right for you in your business? This has worked great for me in my business. That's why I'm sharing it with you. How do you think I did with this box? What's your favorite piece? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Make sure when you close this video, you hit that like button and you're subscribed with the bell turned on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.